Slider windows. Dallas is a popular choice for homeowners seeking modern and functional window solutions. Vinyl slider windows. Dallas, Texas offer a sleek design and easy operation, making them a top choice for residential window services. Dallas. Professional window installers. Dallas ensure a seamless installation process, enhancing the overall aesthetic and functionality of your home. Energy-efficient windows. Dallas TX are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Double-pane windows in Dallas provide excellent insulation, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Insulated windows. Dallas TX are a smart investment for any homeowner looking to enhance energy efficiency. Custom window solutions in Dallas cater to the unique needs of each homeowner. Whether you need window replacement services Dallas or window repair in Dallas TX, our window contractors, Dallas, Texas, are equipped to handle any project. From window frame repair Dallas to window glass replacement. Dallas, we offer comprehensive services to meet your needs. Window design consultation. Dallas helps homeowners choose the best window styles for their homes. Modern window styles. Dallas offer a variety of options, from sliding glass windows Dallas to more traditional designs. Our affordable window options Dallas ensure that you can find the perfect windows to fit your budget and style preferences. Window maintenance services. Dallas are crucial for prolonging the life of your windows. Regular window sealing services. Dallas and window weatherproofing. Dallas help protect your windows from the elements. Window noise reduction. Dallas and window security enhancements. Dallas provide additional comfort and safety for your home. Slider windows. Dallas and window screen installation. Dallas are simple ways to improve the functionality of your windows. Our window contractors, Dallas, Texas, can assist with these upgrades, ensuring your windows operate smoothly and efficiently. Home window upgrades. Dallas are an excellent way to increase the value and appeal of your property. Affordable window options. Dallas make it easy for homeowners to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. Our professional window installers Dallas provide high-quality installation services at competitive prices. Whether you're looking for vinyl slider windows, Dallas, Texas, or energy-efficient windows Dallas TX, we have options to suit every budget. Window repair. Dallas is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our window repair and Dallas TX services include everything from minor repairs to complete window replacement services. Dallas. Trust our experienced window contractors, Dallas, Texas, to restore your windows to their original condition. Window security enhancements. Dallas are a must for homeowners looking to protect their property. Our window sealing services Dallas and window hardware upgrades. Dallas provide added security and peace of mind. With our window maintenance services Dallas, you can ensure your windows remain secure and functional for years to come. Residential slider windows. Dallas offer a wide range of solutions for homeowners. From window design consultation, Dallas, to window frame repair. Dallas, our team is dedicated to providing top-notch service. Whether you need window glass replacement Dallas or window screen installation Dallas, we have the expertise to get the job done right. Window weatherproofing Dallas is essential for protecting your home from harsh weather conditions. Our window sealing services Dallas and window noise reduction. Dallas help create a comfortable and quiet living environment.